The first thing we're going to look at is where to find the installation manuals. So for the Evolution3, you go to the Support Center, you go down to where it says Evolution3, and then on the left, under all of these links, you'll see the SmartFold installation manual and the SmartFold user guide. So if you click on the installation manual, you'll be taken to the installation manual page. Now here, there are multiple links to go to different locations, but if you click View PDF Version, it will automatically create a PDF written version of the manual that you can either download, print, or view online. You can copy this link address and send it to anyone. Simply press copy, and as an example here, you click paste and it will take you to the PDF version of the web page. To navigate through the manual, simply use the plus or minus icons to extend the contents. Here you'll see the different titles of the different subsections of the manual. When you click on them, it will take you directly to that location in the manual. You can scroll down and have a look through the instructions in the manual and expand or minimize each section based on where you are. You can also copy these locations, so you can copy the link address and send this to anyone. So when they open this link, it will take them directly to the section that you have selected. This is great if you're trying to help a customer with a specific inquiry, and it saves them having to scroll through the entire manual. If you go to the bottom of the installation manual, there is a link to the user guide. So the user guide is a different section to the installation manual. This has helpful tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your machine, whereas the installation manual is simply just how to install it. It has the exact same features and works in the exact same way, there's just a lot more information. In addition to this, on the user guide there is a link to the installation manual that makes it easy for people to go between one manual and the other.